Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Survivor.io mode on my iOS iPhone device. If you are looking to get the Survivor.io mode on your iOS or Android device, then just watch this video until the end. I'm gonna show you how. So guys, in order to get the Survivor.io mode on your iOS or Android device, it's pretty simple. First, I will open the game so you can see that I don't have any games or money in my account, and later we will go together and we will activate the mode on my iPhone. The process is the same even if you have an iOS, another iOS or Android device. As you can see, I have just 50 games and 2,500 coins. So to activate the mode, all we need to do is just open our browser and go to Epic Game Mode iOS. After we go to Epic Game Mode iOS, we just write Survivor and we click down. We should see the mode. Click on it, and here it is. It's the latest version of 3.3.0 and you will get unlimited money and games. You click on it and you just give it a couple of seconds of the mode to get installed on your device. Sometimes, depending from your internet, from your country, it may ask you to do some other steps. Sometimes it may activate it directly, so we will see. So it just activated directly for me. If you see some other steps, guys, you just need to follow the instructions. Okay, so let's open the game. Give it a couple of seconds and hopefully, and here it is, guys. The mode has been activated and it's generating unlimited games and unlimited money in Survivor.io. So thank you for watching, and if you need any help, let me know in the comment section. I will do my best to help you out. Goodbye.